Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. The 50-year-old man, listed as a person of interest in the murder of a 20-year-old Portmore accounting clerk, is now in police custody. Robert Fowler, otherwise called Bakra of Portmore, St. Catherine, was named this morning. Hours earlier, the decomposing body of Khanice Jackson was found in an open lot near the Portmore fishing village, also in St. Catherine. Jackson, who is from Manchester Avenue in Independent City, Portmore, St. Catherine, had been missing since Wednesday, March 24. According to a missing person report, the accounting clerk was last seen leaving her home for work and had not been seen or heard from since. Local journalist Michael Sharp has been hospitalized. General Manager for Television Jamaica, Claire Grant, confirmed the news in a tweet early Friday, March 26. While not disclosing the reason for Sharp's hospitalization, Grant asked followers to keep him in their prayers. Keeping colleague Michael Sharp in our thoughts and prayers now, as he is in hospital and needs our positive purpose-driven thoughts and comments, said Grant in a tweet posted at 8:46 a.m. News of Sharp's hospitalization has been making the rounds on social media platforms as he has been absent from his gig on RJR, in which he provides traffic updates. Sharp recently recorded himself getting the vaccine.
Hi, I'm Michael Sharp. Been covering crime scenes for many years. Has developed a form of immunity, if you may, and therefore it's easier for you to deal and go to the next one. However, it is always troubling when one has to address a crime scene involving a child or children. It really gets to your gut, and it is very challenging to deal with even days after, because you consider most of all the innocence, and you ask the question, why? And you start to put through your mind the different images of your own children, your own family's children, and those who you know and those who you care for. And therefore it makes covering a scene, a tragic scene with a child, that more difficult. The one that comes to mind certainly is one that was done in St. Catherine. It's alleged that a man of unsound mind carved off a face of a 5-year-old. And the child was found in bushes. It was a very moving night for myself and my cameraman. We shed tears because it was not only tragic, but it was callous and brutal, and always will remain in my mind. But what it does, though, at the same time, is to cause you to think about the parents. And that is why we cover it. We cover it because it is not in the natural order of things. Children should bury their parents. And when parents are burying children, there is something fundamentally wrong. And we carry it not only because it is news and will be carried, but we do so with the hope that somehow, somewhere, it might reflect on those who have a chance to save, to take care of, to find out where are your children, where is your child, as a fundamental question is. So, as we say in news, it's when the man bites the dog, but certainly when children are bitten, it is very serious and heart-rending.
We now move to On the Brighter Side. Artists including Tanya Stevens have given their service to assist the Food for the Poor to create homes for the less fortunate, especially in these troubling times. Let the great initiative spread and others join in.